kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
I'm looking all crazy. Doing my hair. It's 4th of July. I'm doing my hair. This is how much I got left. This is the section I'm working on right now. I just want to hurry up and be done. I'm trying to do them kind of big. And yeah. Oh. I'm using this hair to do it. Easy braid professional. I used this hair in some of my other videos before, like the jumbo braid and the pigtail braids. This is the same hair. I was sent this hair probably I think it was over a year ago now. And I've been kind of using it a little bit here and there. And one of the things that I kind of been wanting to do was I don't know, either small cornrows or box braids. So, but yeah, of course, you know, as we got closer to the summer, I was like, I'm doing box braids, son. And now I just have to do them because, yeah, I just need to do something with my hair because it is too hot. This Florida, this Florida humidity, and it'd be raining every other day. So I don't like my hair curly right now because it shedded a lot, so it looks kind of thin, and then with the texture change, and I don't know. Anyways, I explained that a little bit in another video. I'll probably talk about it more in a future video, but basically, I don't know, I can't really wear it down right now while it's curly, and then I try to straighten it, but that's not working out because I can't keep it straight. It keeps poofing up, and I don't know, and I have to be outside a lot right now, and you know what, I just need to hurry up and do these box braids. And then I don't know, I hope this is gonna look good because this hair, it's a really deep dark purple, so I don't know if you could see it, but then I braided in some of these blondish type of pieces to add a little extra something to it. And plus I'm trying to do have a little bit of a boho, I don't know, bohemian type of style where the ends are kind of loose and kind of you know. And I want to try to get them I want to try to make the purple hair wavy at the ends when I'm done. But this blondish hair, it's already wavy. It's actually this hair right here. Trying not to drop it. I use this is crochet hair and I did do a video with this last summer. Go curl. And it's a deep blonde, I don't know, a deep blonde honey type of blonde. The color is 2730, Psalm 2730. And yeah, anyways, I did do a crochet video with this, so if you want to see that, go check it out. But anyways, I still have a lot of this here left, so I'm just basically using what I have. And you know, I just wanted to do something I don't know, because I was thinking I wanted to have purple braids, even though this is really dark purple. But then I was thinking I don't know, I like blonde hair too, so I was thinking it would be cool if I had some blonde hair to also mix in and do something I don't know, I just want to do something that's a little more stand out-ish, I guess. But I don't really have that. I don't want to go buy anything, and I'm just using what I have. So I have all this hair already, you know. So hopefully this looks, I'm only trying to use a little bit though, just because, especially in case it doesn't I don't know. But yeah, I'm trying to only use just small pieces in here and there, and and I'm not even putting it in every single braid either. It's just so almost kind of has this little bit of blondish, honey blondish highlights mixed in with dark purple hair. I don't know if that's gonna look good or not, but anyway, yeah, it's 4th of July. We cooked out. My mom and cousin cooked some food on the grill. I just had some coffee because I didn't really get that much sleep last night, because I was up to 7 in the morning, because I started my hair at 3 in the morning. I wanted to start earlier, but yeah, it ended up being 3 in the morning by the time I started, and I was up to 7. And then I went to sleep for a few hours, and then I got up today and trying to continue, but it's already getting late in the day already. And yeah, I'm just trying to get this done. It's pretty much got the top of my head. I'm trying to film a video, do a video of this, so I'm trying to film some of the process of what I'm doing. And then hopefully within the next week or so I will have a video on my box braids. Oh, I look crazy right now. Ugh. My face looks all my face looks all greasy. My face looks all greasy. And my mom made this watermelon punch. It's like she put vodka in it, and I think there's like other fruits and stuff, and there's extra back there. But yeah, I'm gonna have me a glass of that. This is like a ice thing or whatever, so it's keeping it, I don't know. I don't know what she's doing, but I don't know. I know there's like fruit in it, and she's keeping it in here to make it like slushy like. I think there's like some lemons. Did she put the strawberries in there or no? I don't know, but yeah. But it smells yummy. I'm gonna have me some. I'm gonna have some. Right, Coda? Boom!
Backed by America's best limited truck warranty. Get in on the celebration, get to Nissan. But hurry, July 4th offers end soon. Now, save up to $13,190 on the 2017 Nissan Titan XT. Now the most exciting tech you own is in your driveway. Shop your local Nissan store.
Come on, the car seat is telling you to let's go.
I got this trying to
So yeah, these are my braids. I don't remember if I showed the finished look. I might have, I don't remember. But it's been like a week. Yeah, it's been a week since I finished them. But I'm just now like really filming the video. I mean, I filmed the footage of while I was braiding the hair, while I was doing the hair, but I'm just filming like the actual video where I'm actually talking about my braids and showing like the finished look and my like, you know, showing the finished look with my glamorous shots. Like, hey. Yeah, and I put some accessories and whatnot in my braids. And yeah, so this is my finished look. They've been in for a week. So yeah, I'm just now really talking about them. But yeah, so these are my braids. So yeah, about to have a video up soon of these braids, unless this vlog is, what's gonna be up first, this vlog or the braid video? And I'm probably gonna do like, I might do another hairstyle. I might leave this in for at least another couple weeks maybe. But yeah, they already been in for a little over a week. And so yeah, I might leave them in for another couple weeks. And then I think I'm gonna do another braid style, probably like, I don't know, they might even be bigger, or either that or maybe twists. I don't know. But yeah, trying to film. But yeah, trying to film this video. And so yeah, it's braid season. Everybody's getting braids though, aren't they? But yeah, sometimes, you know, when you're in Florida, it's just hot. You know, I tried to straighten my, because I'm not feeling my hair when I was curly. Usually I just leave my hair curly most of the time in the summer. But, which, my hair is curly most of the time anyway. I don't straighten it like all the time. Not that much anymore. But it's just with my hair, you know, some of the issues I've been having with my hair with a lot of shedding. I'm not feeling how it looks while curly because of all the shedding, and it's not looking right. So then I try to straighten it. But I can't keep it straight because the humidity, and it's always thunderstorming like every other day, and it's just always moisture outside, so my hair just, you know, the roots, everything, it just frizz up. And so it's like, you know what, I'm just gonna do some braids because I just don't really feel like dealing with my hair that much. And you know, and that way I can just have like a nice style and be popping. all the time without having to do anything, right? I think it took me like, I spent like all 4th of July doing my hair. I started the night before at 3 a.m. and spent the whole 4th of July, pretty much finished like really late night that night. So yeah, but yeah, I'm trying to make a thumbnail. It's my thumbnail. Ooh baby. All right. So yeah, it's the weekend now. It's Friday, so it's already like the end of a week again. So this vlog should be ending. Yeah, I don't know, maybe this is it, I don't know, but yeah.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.